Imagine this. You're 18 years old. A college offers you admission. The total cost of your degree is 25 lakh rupees. The brochure proudly says, highest package, 52 lakh rupees per annum. Suddenly, spending 25 lakh rupees doesn't seem expensive anymore. After all, if someone can get 52 lakh rupees per year, this investment is worth it. But here's the question. What if only one student got that package? What if the average salary is much lower? What if you graduate with an education loan but not the job you expected? Today, let's talk about one of the biggest myths in higher education, the 1 crore rupees degree myth. Let's be honest, every student dreams of a successful career. Parents want the best future for their children, and colleges know exactly how to market that dream. You'll often see words like world-class campus, global exposure, international collaborations, and of course, highest package. Our brain immediately connects these things: expensive college, high package, successful life. Psychologists call this the price-quality bias. We naturally assume that if something costs more, it must be better. But in education, that's not always true. Now let's understand something very important. Whenever you hear, our highest package is 50 lakh rupees, ask yourself one question. How many students actually receive that package? 1, 2, 5? What about everyone else? The highest package tells an exciting story, but the average package, and even more importantly, the median package, tell the real story. Imagine a class of 100 students. One student gets 50 lakh rupees. 99 students get 5 lakh rupees. The advertisement will still highlight highest package 50 lakh rupees per annum. Technically, it's true. But does it represent the reality for most students? Probably not. Now let's talk about something students rarely calculate: return on investment, or ROI. Suppose your degree costs 25 lakh rupees. You take an education loan. By the time you repay it with interest, you may end up paying much more. Now imagine your first salary is 5 or 6 lakh rupees per year. Can you still build a comfortable financial life? Yes, but it becomes much more challenging. This doesn't mean expensive colleges are bad. Some offer excellent opportunities. The point is simple. Before investing lakhs of rupees, understand what you're getting in return. Education is an investment, and every investment deserves proper research. The smartest students don't ask, what is the highest package? They ask better questions. What is the average package? How many students got placed? Which companies visit regularly? What skills are taught? How strong is the alumni network? What internships are available? And most importantly, will this college help me become employable? Because companies don't hire buildings, they hire people. A beautiful campus cannot replace practical skills. A famous college cannot replace consistent effort. So, is a 20 lakh rupees or 30 lakh rupees degree worth it? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on the value you receive. Don't buy a dream because it's marketed well. Buy an education because it helps you build the future you actually want. Remember, the best college isn't always the most expensive one. It's the one that gives you the best return on your investment, financially, professionally, and personally. Before choosing any college, don't just ask how much does it cost. Ask, what kind of future is this investment actually buying? Because the smartest career decisions aren't emotional, they are informed. And informed students rarely regret their choices. I'll see you in the next video.